अमरीकी सदर डोनाल्ड ट्रंप ने सऊदी क्राउन प्रिंस मोहम्मद बिन सलमान को तौहीन आमेर अल्फाज से तनकीद की है। सोशल मीडिया पर डोनाल्ड ट्रंप की ये तनकीद वायरल हो गई। अमरीकी सदर डोनाल्ड ट्रंप ने कहा कि सऊदी वली अहद मोहम्मद बिन सलमान को इस बात की तवक्को नहीं थी कि हालात इस तरह बदल जाएंगे कि उन्हें ट्रंप के सामने इस कदर झुकाव दिखाना पड़ेगा। ट्रंप ने कहा कि एमबीएस ने नहीं सोचा था कि ऐसा होगा। उन्होंने नहीं सोचा था कि वो मेरी खुशामदी करेंगे। वाकई उन्होंने ऐसा नहीं सोचा था। कुछ लोगों ने इस किसिंग माई आस का तर्जुमा ग़ुलामी से भी किया है। वाज़ेह है कि ये तबसरे ऐसे वक्त में सामने आए हैं जब मगरबी एशिया में ईरान के ख़िलाफ़ अमेरिका और इसराइल की जारी जंग के बाद कशीदगी में इजाफा हो गया है और जिसने आलमी मंडियों को भी गैर यकीनी सूरत हाल से दो चार कर दिया है।
Saudi Arabia, and I also love the King of Saudi Arabia. What a man he is. When I was there, we bonded. He would grab me to get up. He was a little frail at the time, and this was a long time ago, and he's still doing well. And he'd grab my arm to get up when I was sitting next to him. And they said that's the only time he's ever grabbed anybody. He would grab me all the time. And I said, I think he likes me. And he did like me, and he still likes me. And he's a great man, and say hello to him. He's a great guy with a great son. But a short time ago, we were together, and he looked at me, and he said, you know, it's amazing. 1 year ago, you were a dead country. Now you're the hottest country anywhere in the world. He didn't think this was going to happen. He didn't think he'd be kissing my ass. He really didn't. He thought he'd be just another American president that was a loser, where the country was going downhill. But now he has to be nice to me. You tell him he better be nice to me. He's got to be. But it was really something. He said, though, you know, it's amazing, President, because he's a very smart, but a regular kind of a guy. He said, you know, it's amazing, President. A year ago, in that case, it was a year and a half. It was 6 months ago. But a year ago,